You have tried all kinds of drinks, foods, even those so-called remedies, yet every morning you still wake up flat. No signal, no surge of blood, no reminder of vitality. The scary truth? It's not just about intimacy. It can be your body's silent warning of poor circulation and heart strain. But here's the surprising part. The answer may not be in your fridge. It may be right in the palm of your hand. And today, I'll show you 3 hidden hand points that can help restore blood flow, deepen your sleep, and bring back your morning vitality. I'm Dr. Evelyn Hart, a board-certified urologist with over 25 years of experience helping men over 60 restore their strength, confidence, and natural vitality. And what I've learned after decades of listening to my patients is this. Sometimes the most powerful solutions are not found in a pill bottle, but in the simple practices you can do every day. So, in today's video, we're going to explore 3 hidden reflex points in your hands. By massaging them the right way, you can boost circulation, calm your nervous system, improve your sleep, and even bring back those long-lost morning signals of health. Let's begin with the first point. 1. Lao Gong, PC8. Let's start with the first hidden hand point, known in traditional Chinese medicine as Lao Gong or pericardium 8. In simple terms, I call it your heart center. You can find it easily. Just make a loose fist and notice where the tip of your middle finger naturally touches your palm. That's your Lao Gong point, right at the center. Now here's why it matters. This spot is packed with nerve endings and sits along a major pathway that influences circulation and calmness. When you press gently with your opposite thumb and massage in slow circles for 1 to 2 minutes, you're not just soothing your palm. You're sending signals through your nervous system that can widen tiny blood vessels, improve microcirculation, and release a wave of relaxation throughout your body. I remember one of my patients, Robert, age 67. He came to me frustrated, tired in the mornings, his blood pressure creeping up. And he said, "Doctor, I just don't feel alive anymore." I taught him this simple technique. 2 weeks later, he told me, "I'm still amazed. My hands feel warmer, my sleep is calmer, and for the first time in years, I noticed those old morning stirrings again." It wasn't a miracle pill, it was his own body reawakened by consistent practice. Gentlemen, robust circulation isn't just about performance in the bedroom, it's about nourishing your heart, your brain, and every cell with oxygen-rich blood. And that's exactly what Lao Gong helps you restore. A sense of calm, improved blood flow, and a quiet reminder each morning that your vitality is still there. But don't go anywhere, because the second hand point we'll explore isn't just about circulation. It's about balancing your emotions and unlocking deeper, more restorative sleep. And that too is essential for bringing back your mornings. Shao Fu, Heart 8. Now let's move to the second point called Shao Fu, or Heart 8. I like to think of it as the little palace of emotional balance and restful sleep. To find it, make that loose fist again. This time, look where the tip of your little finger, your pinky, touches your palm. That's the exact spot. Place your opposite thumb there, apply a gentle but steady pressure, and massage in slow circles or small up and down motions. Just 1 or 2 minutes on each hand can make a surprising difference. Why? Because this point connects deeply with your heart energy and your nervous system. Stimulating it helps shift your body away from stress. That constant fight or flight mode that keeps many men wired at night, and instead guides you into the calm, rest and digest state you need for quality sleep. One of my patients, Alan, age 70, struggled with restless nights. He told me, "Doctor, I fall asleep, but I wake up at 2 a.m. My mind racing, and I never feel rested." When he began massaging this Shao Fu point before bed, he noticed something different. His breathing slowed, his chest felt lighter, and within days, he was falling back asleep more easily, waking with more energy, and yes, even noticing a return of those natural morning signals that had been gone for years. Gentlemen, never underestimate the power of sleep. Deep, uninterrupted sleep is when your body repairs blood vessels, balances hormones like testosterone, and restores your energy reserves. Without it, circulation suffers, mood declines, and vitality fades. By stimulating Shao Fu, you're giving your body permission to switch off the noise and reclaim those precious hours of rest. But here's the real secret. While these first 2 points are powerful, the third hand point we'll explore is like a hidden reset switch, one that directly ties into your sleep hormones and your body's natural rhythm for testosterone, and most men have never even heard of it. 3. Pineal reflex point. Hormone and testosterone. Gentlemen, if you have stayed with me this far, here's the one that most men over 60 have never heard of. The pineal reflex point. This point is like your body's hidden reset switch for sleep and hormones. And it may be the missing link to restoring both your deep rest and your morning vitality. Here's how to find it. Draw an imaginary line straight down from your ring finger toward your wrist, about 2 finger widths below the base of your ring finger. In that soft, fleshy part of your palm lies the pineal reflex area. It's not a sharp point, but rather a small zone. To stimulate it, use your opposite thumb in gentle circles or smooth sweeping motions covering about a 1-inch square for 1 to 2 minutes on each hand. Why does this matter? This area is linked through reflex pathways to the pineal gland in your brain. The tiny gland that produces melatonin, the master hormone of your sleep cycle. Better melatonin production means deeper, more restorative sleep. And here's the connection. Quality sleep is the very foundation for your body's natural testosterone production. Most testosterone is released at night during your deepest phases of sleep. Without it, mornings feel flat, energy is drained, and confidence slips away. I remember a patient named Charles, 72, who told me he hadn't woken up with morning vitality in years. He added this pineal reflex massage to his nightly routine. Within 3 weeks, he noticed his sleep became more consistent, his energy steadier during the day, and in his words, I felt like I was waking up younger. It wasn't magic. It was his body finally getting the signal to reset itself. Gentlemen, the beauty of these 3 hand points is that they work together. Lao Gong fuels circulation, Shao Fu soothes your emotions and restores sleep, and the pineal reflex resets your hormonal rhythm. But here's the truth. They only work if you use them consistently. And that brings us to the bigger lesson every man over 60 needs to hear. Gentlemen, let's pause for a moment and bring everything together. Over the last few minutes, we've uncovered 3 hidden points in your hands. Simple, drug-free tools that can profoundly change the way you age. The Lao Gong point works like a circulation booster, helping your blood flow stronger and steadier throughout your body. The Shao Fu point calms your nervous system, lowers stress and guides you into the deep sleep your body desperately needs. And the pineal reflex point? That's your reset switch, helping your brain release melatonin, which then allows your body to naturally restore testosterone, energy, and morning vitality. But here's the real lesson. These aren't quick tricks. They were gentle, daily rituals, just a few minutes, twice a day. In the morning to wake your circulation, and at night to prepare your body for sleep. Done consistently, they retrain your nervous system, balance your hormones, and remind your body of what it's always been capable of. And the bigger truth? Morning erections aren't just about intimacy. They're an early warning sign and a measure of your overall health. By caring for your circulation, your sleep, and your hormones through these simple hand points, you're not just supporting your mornings, you're protecting your heart, your brain, and your confidence as a man over 60. So the choice is in your hands, quite literally. And now, let's talk about how you can start practicing this today. Gentlemen, it's time to take action. Starting tonight, give yourself just a few minutes to massage these 3 hidden hand points. Do it before bed and again in the morning, and see how your body begins to respond. With calmer sleep, stronger blood flow, and maybe even the return of those natural morning signals. If you found this helpful, share it with a friend, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe for more doctor-backed insights on men's health after 60. And let me know in the comments, which point are you going to try first? Disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not medical advice. If you have ongoing health concerns or conditions, always consult your physician before starting any new practice.